Hello, throwing Theo.
Throwing Theo loves to throw. He thinks I'll throw some things. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Theo loves to throw. Theo throws all kinds of things. He thinks it will be great. His friends ask him 1,000 times, can you throw it straight? Throwing Theo loves to throw. He thinks I'll throw some things. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Theo loves to throw. Theo finds a discus to throw. He thinks I like this thing. Not thin, not thick, this thing is great. I'll throw it with a swing.
Hello, Rhythmic Heather. Rhythmic Heather loves to dance. Let's dance with Heather. We'll feel the rhythm and clap along no matter what the weather. Heather dances on the beach. She needs the room to move. Her hands and feet can move together. It's Rhythmic Heather's groove. Rhythmic Heather loves to dance. Let's dance with Heather. We'll feel the rhythm and clap along no matter what the weather. Heather dances in the forest. She's working up a sweat. Come on, jump up, clap, dance and kick. Let's all join in. Get set.